All right. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Thursday, the 16th. And again, I just woke up. When I woke up, I don't set my alarm or try not to set my alarm unless I go to bed before 10. Because this is exactly the reason why. I have to wake up naturally, otherwise I'm super tired with my hay fever and pollen allergy, and I need my energy throughout the day. So that's what I'm doing currently. And luckily I'm able to do it like that. Sorry for that. Yeah. But yesterday, CPI news, CPI pushed us straight into the highs. No mercy. We took our previous daily highs, previous weekly highs, got up there. And, yeah. 1 second. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, we're on EU? Yeah, we're on EU. So we took out the highs and what they happened. So we have this bearish range. We took out internal range liquidity. We are now inside our highest probability area for shorts. Actually, it's from this low up to this high, but essentially this area here, I'm really interested in this area. It's looking clean. Although it took its time to get down here, we still have DXY and the idea of, there we go, nice, of DXY going up here. So yeah, I'm looking for DXY to get into these highs now. We did achieve that discounted pricing finally. We know that price is building up liquidity to the upside here. Overall, not really clean, but we've got liquidity to the upside. Then internal range, or actually it's external now because we had a high that led to a new low, a lower high, and a new lower low. But essentially, we've got liquidity here, we've got liquidity there, and we've got this overall area we're still interested in. And if you pull this across, kind of a support and resistance zone as well, or a trend line. So I'm really interested in these highs, but we have to wait. If you look at how strong this candle is, and also on EU, and probably as well on GU, yeah, especially EU, super strong candle. One thing I noticed though is that we actually closed just below that liquidity. So even though we pushed up, we still had a bearish closure or closure below liquidity, but this leg doesn't have barely any wicks to it. Or barely any wicks to it. Straight strong candle. So we have to be patient with it today. And we need structure realignment before we can look for any shorts anyway. But as you can see here, for Asia highs on top. Asia highs. Asia lows being taken out. We have got to wait. What I want to see now is maybe price break below here. And then we could look for potential short Y. We have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, bearish break, and then we could look for a retracement, maybe price. Oops. Never mind. Price then retraces up above here. We take internal range liquidity, so we have a break. Price trickles back up, takes internal range liquidity, and then we have a potential short. That's my idea for EU. Other than that, if we don't take that low, we wait for price to get up to the Asia highs, take the Asia highs here. Sorry, take the Asia highs, and then we look for a short. I'm not interested in longs. Why? Why am I not looking for longs? Like you could say, okay, you're in this kind of pricing, right? You set yourself low, high, higher, low, higher, high. But we have to keep in mind that we on the higher time frames are inside our supply zone, not even just our supply zone. We took strong internal range liquidity. We are inside our premium, our deep premium of this range. I'm not using this, but we're probably around at 68, 61.6 and 78.2 threshold from the Fibonacci levels as well. So deep premium, and I'm just super interested in shorts. Also, what I can't ignore is that we have that news there that came out, so that will be taken out probably. I really like to see that as well. Then we've got equals down here, and that's a beautiful target around that 600, 660 area. So if you get potential short trades, I will first target these lows, but depending on how fast price moves, it will probably take out these lows then. It has momentum to the upside right now, so we've got to be careful a little bit, but overall, I think we're good, and we might be able to get some shorts in the upcoming weeks, next week. GU, pretty much same story there. Get that previous weekly high. Daily check. Yeah. Previous weekly highs, previous daily highs being taken out. You've got inside that deeper premium area. We still have an area above, but in case of GU, although this could be very possible, EU already took that liquidity. DXY already took this liquidity. DXY still has this liquidity. However, this one is got below that low and then push. But this leg doesn't have that much liquidity. So GU and DXY still valid reasoning to move lower. EU, on the other hand, I prefer to turn around right now. So we'll see what happens there. But GU inside a premium. Sorry. Inside a discount, sorry, premium area, inside a supply zone, that's what I meant. Took this liquidity where we had that bearish break, high time from inducement, taken out, and now we can look for shorts as well. So I don't know why I removed that. I think I did the same one EU. But yeah, it's already taken out. Anyway, and pretty much same story as EU as well. We wait for this low to be taken at least, but this is towards the end of yesterday. So I'd rather not take that as a low, but just this entire group here as liquidity, and then price might just move up and go from there. So for GU, I prefer to wait for Asia highs to be taken out before we look for any shorts. Let's move quite slow as well, so let me get that into the middle of the screen. Well, it's moving quite slow as well, so I prefer GU to take out Asia high, and if we take out Asia high, we're already approaching this high. So we might as well take that high, but Asia high should be enough for me to look for a short. Although we've got, if you pull this across, it's almost perfect. We've got equals there as well. So we might actually, if we get above Asia highs, we might actually just wait for this and then get a short. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for GU actually. I will wait for this high to be taken, and then I will look for shorts. First of all, into this little zone, and overall, yeah, probably below here with the liquidity building up there equals. So we did take it like that. And that's why I marked this out as liquidity, because I still feel we can move lower. So rather than being a bullish break, I think this is a liquidity grab. Sorry. Fueling up at these stations over here. And then moving further down. So yeah, it's already been 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. London time. Market is already open. So yeah, wish you guys good luck today. I will upload this video and I catch you guys later. Peace out.